Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the captivating journey into the world of modern gardening aesthetics, where we will delve into innovative ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a contemporary oasis of beauty and tranquility. Your garden is more than just a patch of green, it's an extension of your home and canvas for aesthetic expression. In this video, we will guide you through a myriad of creative concepts that will elevate your garden to the new heights of style and functionality. Discover the allure of minimalist garden design, characterized by clean lines, unlimited color palettes, and the principle of less is more. We will explore how simplicity can create a sense of spaciousness and serenity in your outdoor heaven. Embrace eco-conscious practices in your garden. Learn about sustainable landscaping techniques such as rain gardens and native plantings that conserve water and support local wildlife. Maximize your space with the vertical gardens that bring a touch of the urban jungle to your outdoor area. We will show you how to create living walls and vertical planters that are as visually stunning as they are space saving. Discover the art of incorporating elements like mediation spaces, bamboo, and rock gardens to create a peaceful retreat in your own backyard. Explore the versatility of container gardening, which allow you to grow plants in a limited space. We will share the creative ideas for container arrangements from vibrant flower pots to edible herb grafts. Embrace the future with a smart gardening solution. Learn about automated irrigation system, plant sensors, and even robotic lawn owners that make garden maintenance a breeze while conserving the resource. Elevate your garden aesthetics with artistic hardscaping elements. We will discuss the use of material like the stone, concrete, and wood to create paths, patches, and sitting areas that serve as a functional art piece. Transform your garden ambience with a strategic lighting. Discover the enhancement of garden lighting techniques such as path light, uplighting, and fairy lights that enhance both beauty and the spirit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more gardening inspiration. Let's embark on this exciting journey to reimage and revitalize your garden into a modern masterpiece of beauty, functionality, and sustainability. Thank you so much.